Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read about pirates who love underpants. It is written by Claire Friedman and Ben Court. Pirates love underpants. These pirates so love underpants, they're on a special quest to find the fabled pants of gold for the captain's treasure chest. "Anchors away!" the captain cries. "Hoist up Black Bloomer's sail! Unfurl the secret treasure map! Pants pirates never fail!" Black Bloomer bobs upon the waves. The captain shouts, "Hooray! Sharks and fancy underpants! We've found Big Knickers Bay!" The pirates grab their shiny swords and row their boats to shore. "Yikes, me hearties! What is this? Someone's been here before." The footprints lead through shifting dunes across the Three Pants Ridge. Snap, snap, snarl the hungry crocs beneath the Long John Bridge. If you look here, the pirates are going to cross a bridge, and way down here are some crocodiles that want to eat them. The pirates wade through gurgling swamps, through caves as black as night. They trek through prickly undergrowth, then gulp. Oh, what a sight. Wonder what they're seeing. "We're here too late," the pirates gasp. "Another pirate crew! They found the golden underpants. What are we going to do?" The captain has a cunning plan. It's clever, it's fantastic. Grab their fancy underpants and cut through the elastic. As the rival pirates sleep, they snip round on tiptoe. But help, the captain's parrot squawks and wakes them up. Oh no! "Grab those pants!" the captain roars. "They're after us! Oh, arr!" But with their pants around their feet, they don't get very far. Yo ho ho, the pirates dance. Find treasure fills our hold. But what's the booty we love best? The glittering pants of gold. So when you put your pants on, check the elastic is in place, or like those silly pirates found, you'll have a bright red face. And if you look closely, I think that you'll be able to find an alien, a monster, and a pirate. The end. I hope you enjoyed Pirates Love Underpants.